In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a receipt from Booking.com. This can be especially useful if you're managing expenses or just want to keep a detailed record of your travel history. The process is quite straightforward and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you get that receipt without any hiccups. First things first, we need to get started by opening Booking.com's website. So go ahead and fire up your computer or mobile device and open your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, type in Booking.com and navigate to the site. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. This step is crucial because you'll need access to your personal account to retrieve your booking information. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a handy link to reset it right below the login fields. Now that you're logged in, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile avatar there. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select either bookings or trips depending on what you see. This is the section where all your past and upcoming reservations are stored. It's like having a personal travel archive at your fingertips. Once you're in the bookings section, take a moment to find the particular reservation for which you need a receipt. This section is organized, usually showing the most recent trips at the top. When you locate the correct reservation, you'll notice options to view further details. Click on View Confirmation or View Invoice Receipt. Depending on the type of reservation or the property booked, you might see one or both of these options. This action will take you to a page with a detailed summary of your booking. Here, you can confirm all the information you've entered and see how it appears on the receipt. The final step is to choose how you want to save this receipt for your records. You should see options to either download or print it. If you're going digital and keeping things paperless, simply click download and save the file somewhere on your computer or phone where you can easily access it later. If you prefer a hard copy, click print and follow your usual process for printing documents. Remember to check your printer's settings beforehand to avoid any last-minute hassles. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully retrieved a receipt from Booking.com. Keeping track of these documents can be a great practice for your personal finance management, ensuring you always have the necessary details at your disposal. If this walkthrough was helpful, make sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on managing your online travel bookings.